We're going to be learning how you can use the OmiTV video chat website on PC. Firstly, just go to omi.tv on your browser. If you are a first-time user, it will bring you the login screen with various login options: Facebook, Google, VK, etc. Choose any of the login options. Let's continue with Google and use your Google account for login. Continue. Click on select all here and then continue. As a first-time user, you'll be asked to enable access for microphone and camera. Select this first option while visiting the site. And thus here we are. So the first and foremost thing before using OmiTV is that you're gonna make sure to check the rules here. Click on rules and read all the rules here to avoid getting banned or any other account issues. Once you read all the rules, go back to start. Now let's check few things here. If you want to change your gender, you can click on this button here, I am, and select male, female, or if you're video chatting as a pair, you can choose couple. Select male for now. You can also select your country. You can choose from which country you want to appear on OmiTV. For example, New Zealand. By changing the country here, you might get people from other country. It's not guaranteed. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. Here are a few more things. If you hover your mouse on your video, you'll get the option to have full screen. And there's setting option. You can change the language and enable the translation of messages or even log out. Go back. Also, you can select the desired microphone of your choice from here. Currently, it's the default microphone of my PC. Once you've done this, now we can just start video chatting. Yes. Hello.
Hello.
Manila.
Yes. What?
If you want to skip to next person, click on next button here. And if you want to report any users for their unacceptable behaviors, click on report here. It will show you the recent 5 interactions. You can choose any one and then report. And if you want to stop the video chat, click on stop here. So that's how you can use the OmiTV video chat on PC. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel.